Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You open the snap and decide fast. Reply shows engagement. First, note tone and content so you don't mismatch intent. Once done, pick your modality, quick text for clarity, voice for warmth, or an emoji for lightness, and send an immediate acknowledgement. Making that first move tells the sender you value the exchange. It sets the energy. If unsure, mirror their tone briefly to stay safe, then expand the conversation with a question or a short reaction. Once you've acknowledged the snap, deepen the exchange by asking an open question that encourages a response. Explain why their snap matters to you, mention a detail from the image or clip, and then follow up with a clarifying question. Make sure to balance brevity and substance. A short voice note can add tone, a concise text can provide facts, and an emoji softens intent. This layered approach reduces misunderstandings and keeps momentum without overwhelming the chat. You finish the interaction by clearly stating the next step, confirm plans, summarize decisions, or propose a call if needed. If you want more, suggest a specific time or place to escalate the conversation. Clarity increases follow-through. Make sure to give the other person space. If there's no reply, wait 1 to 2 hours before sending a polite follow-up that references your last message. If you still get no answer, move on. Repeated messages can create pressure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.